Jai Hind everyone. Have you all of you have done your warm up?
Yes, ma'am.
How was it? So what you have done in your warm up? Okay. So what is this known as? This is known as PGT. What is PGT? What do you understand by progressive group task? Okay, so this is your GTO day 1. Once you will be done with your GDs, this will be the first task that you will be doing in a group. So the very first thing is that you have to keep remember in your mind is that you have to coordinate, you have to make a group effectiveness, you have to show group effectiveness by your coordination in a group. So let's discuss about the color rules. There are 3 colors if you can see in this structure. The very first one is white, second one is blue and third one is? So 1 is reachable to all of you and your objects as well, the helping materials that you are having in your hand. Second is blue. So blue color is you can touch only but your helping materials cannot touch. Understood? And the red color is not reachable to any one of you. That will be a bounce and that is a sign of dangerous and you will be getting a penalty. And you will also be getting a penalty of what? Touching the ground as well. Suppose you are crossing this structure from one place to another one and somehow your object and by fault your leg is touching, means that's a fault and you will be under a penalty. So how will you be able to overcome that penalty? You have to do the same task again, go back and come again. Till the time you have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So once you will be coming here, we'll start it. But what my advice for all of you is that somehow you are 10 of you as of now. So there will be 3 groups, subgroups among you only. The 3 active ones who will be coming ahead, taking initiative, giving ideas. Third one will be the cooperating and 3 of you will be just standing still there. Never ever be in that group who will be standing there still. Understood? You all should have active participation. Understood? Chess number 7. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start.
First we can put the balli.
Okay.
Extend the balli.
Chest number 8.
Test number 8 and test number.
Chest number 1. Come.
One more candidate. Okay,
One
first
person.
Give me blank.
One person can stand there.
give me the balli.
Take it.
Firstly, give him
Give the balli. First give the balli. Thank you.
Try not touching blue line. Okay, good. Good. Make balance.
Carefully, don't touch.
Okay.
Can't touch.
Okay.
Portrait. Test number 1. Portrait.
Okay.
Portrait.
I am going there. Okay. You go also there.
Thank you.
Okay. Come. Is there any person?
One by one you can. No. One by one you can come. Firstly, one chest number.
Chest number.
10 you come here.
Okay.
Yeah, go. Go.
I am going there.
Go there. Go there. Trip.
Now one
No,
of
you can go. You can
go
go.
on that next step. Because we are standing there, one of you can cross that.
Give me the blank.
Take it.
The last
Easily. We can make a bridge.
Chest number 8 and chest number 1. Go.
Test number 1 go there.
Okay. Give me
Okay.
that plank. Give me that plank. Okay. 2 more questions. 2 more. Okay.
Firstly,
Just wait. Okay. Chest number 7. Come.
Carefully.
Come again.
Go back.
Put the leg ahead of the.
You can step on the ground and come again.
Balli touch the blue color. Balli touch the blue color.
Take a long step near the obstacle.
Okay. Go.
Okay.
Give me blank.
One person also come here.
Give me blank.
Wait.
Give me blank.
Give me support. Okay.
Plank has touched the ground. Give it back.
Okay.
Pass it again.
Okay. One person. Cross that line.
First we have to
Exit
cross.
that group.
Okay, chest number you can go now.
Give me a load.
Okay.
Give me also.
Get back.
Okay, first
And give me again.
Test number 7.
one person.
Chest number 7.
Hold it. Go to.
Put the leg.
Okay. Chest number 8.
Give me load.
No.
Chest number 8.
Go there. Test
Go there.
Test number 7 with the load. Test number 7 with. Go there with the.
Fast.
With the load. Test number 8. Give me load. Chest number 3, come here.
Hold that plank and come to other person. Chest number 4. Chest number 10.
Chest number, go back. Chest number 10, go back. Chest number 5 is breaking a rule. What is that? Using manpower when it is not required. So one penalty. Go back.
Okay.
Chest number 5. Chest number 6, come ahead.
Okay, go there. One person more come. Okay, stay there.
Stay there. You use. Give me guys.
Chest number 4, come
First,
ahead.
one more candidate.
Support.
Come there.
Wait there and give me supporting plank.
Lifting that plank.
Properly stand.
There and
Obstacle and take a long step near the obstacle.
take it.
Take it. Hold it. Chest number 6, go there. Stay here. Chest number 2, go there. Okay. I will do it. Give me your hand.
Keep the plank.
One more person.
Take plank and.
One person. Chest number 6. You also can go. Chest number 5, 4. Keep the plank.
Chest number 4, come back.
Come fast. Okay. Stay there. One more person. Chest number 10.
Take a long step. Take a long step.
Chest number 10.
Chest number 10.
You come.
Yes.
Long step.
Take long steps.
Carefully.
Okay, then go.
Okay.
Then come here. And give me
Pass the plank.
Support.
Give him plank.
You first give the plank.
Hold the only. Penalty.
Chest number 8. Go there.
Yes.
Yes. First chest number 10.
Chest number 10 and chest number 4. You can go.
Make evidence properly first. First make evidence properly. This is
No, this is not touching the plate.
नहीं ये slip करेगा.
Come. Chest number 10.
Come.
Chest number 10. Go.
You can go. Go.
This is also hold it.
I'm holding it firm.
Plank and one of the go outside. Go there.
Chest number 10. You can go. You go. Chest number 10. You go. No, not touch.
Like this.
Not touch. Blue part.
Yes.
Carefully.
Chest number 10. Chest number 10. Chest number 10.
Easily. One of the pass.
Okay. Take it. Okay, yeah. Come.
Take a long step.
You go. Okay.
Yes,
First one person can come here.
You go. You go. I am coming.
One person.
Okay. Back.
Okay, wait. Chest number 3, come here. Chest number 9, you go there.
You touch the
Chest number
ground.
3, come here. And you have to bring chest number 5 only to here.
Okay.
First pass the bully.
Okay, suppose all that is covered with blue. What will you do now?
Put the that's it.
All that is structured is blue.
Put the bully in the between the legs. No,
we
no.
use that support. That obstacle.
Yes. Yeah. Just take it.
Put the leg here.
Then okay, you go.
You stand there
Leg here
and
and come here.
you can jump. Pass the bully.
Come. Oh, take length.
Stand properly.
Stand properly and take length.
Okay.
No, go.
Well
Give it.
done, everyone.